it's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. I do hope that you enjoy this content and that you will actually consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. If you are returning, hey Suge Muffin. Alright y'all, happy Monday. We have made it through another marvelous weekend, and today I am here to bring you another human hair wig review. Now, I don't know if you caught my video last Monday on Human Hair Monday, but I reviewed a straight bob last week from this same company, DivasWig. And I had mentioned in that video that I had purchased 2 units from this company, and I reviewed one last week and that I was going to be reviewing this one this week. So today I'm reviewing a Malaysian Human Hair 360 degrees wavy lace front wig, and it's a long bob in 14 inches, and she comes with 150% density. So let's go right ahead and dive into this review. So now that I'm finished styling this wig, let's chat about this one. Now, I know I zoomed past a lot of the styling process, but that's because last week I just uploaded a very detailed video on how to melt the lace. And so I didn't want to, showcase a whole lot of time on how to melt the lace since I already have another video on that, which I will include down in the description box below. Alright y'all, so as you can see, I did decide to highlight this unit. I didn't really add any footage of that because that is another recent video that I've just done where I showed you, in detail how to highlight a wig. So that's another wig that I will include up here as well as put down in the description box below. So to highlight this unit, I use the Adore Cajun Spice and Ginger. I just mixed these 2 colors. And I did the watercolor method. Now, of course, I had to bleach the hair that I highlighted before. I didn't just do the watercolor method with these colors. You're not going to get a highlighted color or a bright color if you don't bleach it some way, somehow. Or if the unit doesn't come already in like a blondish color. And this was really just me using some leftover products that I already had. I did some coloring to some hair a while back, and I still had like a half a bottle of these 2 colors. So I'm just recycling and using what I have. I absolutely love this color turnout. This is definitely like a 1B/30, right? Yeah, I think that's what it came out to be. And I specifically focused the color here in the front for face framing highlights, and then of course I added some throughout the hair as well, but I was really focused here, and I love this outcome. So again, if you're interested in seeing how to highlight your units, I do have a video on that you can check out down in the description box below. Alright, so this unit pretty much already came wavy, so my styling thought process was just to add some really loose curls so that it could be like a messy wavy type of style. That's really where I was going with this. I felt like if I didn't do anything, if I didn't add anything, it just would have been blah. It just would have been a blah wavy wig, because it's not like a deep wave or anything where you can, you know, add some products and make it curly and wavy. It wasn't really that kind of wave, so that's why I just went in and, you know, used my little wand curl, added some loose waves or some loose curls so that I can get the loose wavy effect. And I love this. This was like perfect for me. Alright, so just like the unit from last week, I do believe that this unit comes a little pre-plucked as well as slightly pre-bleached. I feel like the knots were a little bleached already. I did not bleach the knots any further. I did, however, go in and pluck the unit, of course. I did add a few little baby hairs around the perimeter, and I'm pleased with this outcome. I absolutely love the density of this unit. Again, it comes with 150% density, and I think that is perfect. Like, anytime that I've gotten 130% density, it's just not quite enough with these human hair units. I feel like 150 is a perfect density, and I think it's quite full. Now, something else I noticed from last week's straight bob, the quality of the hair from the bob from last week was much nicer. This one, I think, of course, as a result of me bleaching, you know, some of the hair strands, it definitely changed the quality of the hair. So anytime that you go in with bleaching your hair, you have to be very, very careful. You have to be very cautious. You have to make sure you're not over bleaching, and you have to make sure you deep condition, which I did all of that. But I do feel like it might have been a piece of hair over here that might have caught a little bit of over bleaching that I noticed as it was bleaching. So I stopped it like real quick. And so you just have to pay attention to it. That's all. I still think the hair came out really beautiful. It's not a whole lot of tangling going on. However, there is some shedding, but again, that could be human error and a result of me, because I did try to go in and pluck this parting space. I needed to put some little tweezers to it to get some of that hair out of there. So I think that's why I'm getting so much shedding. Now, let's talk about the price. As I mentioned in the previous video last week, this is a unit that is included in DivasWigs Customer Appreciation Sale. And this is where you have the opportunity to choose 2 wigs. They're like out of a selection of about 8 or 9 wigs. I think they're all like bob or long bob type of styles. And you pay $199 for both of those wigs. So to me, in my mind, that's like $100 each. Like, I'm paying $100 for this wig and I'm paying $100 for the other one. I think that is well worth it. And for what you get, like the quality of these units is phenomenal. And DivasWigs, they're not on the lower cost. So I think that is a great deal. I think their wigs normally run around $150 and up. I oftentimes see $200 and up. So getting 1 unit for $100 or 2 units for $200 is a great deal. So that is the reason I picked up these units. And as I mentioned before, I got these units quite some time ago. Way back in December 2019. And I'm just pulling them off my shelf. So that's like really all I got for y'all. Let me know how you like the outcome of this wig. Is this something that you would attempt? Would you attempt to highlight your own wig? Because I know a lot of people like to play it safe and just kind of keep them as they are. They don't like to do a whole lot of customization. So I'm just trying to see who's out there, who's bold. Where are the bold and the brave that's willing to go out there and customize these units? Pull out those creative juices that I love to do. So, you know, this kind of stuff brings me joy. I love doing this kind of creative stuff with hair. So it's just my thing. It's just what I like. I just want to know your thoughts, so let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Let's chat about her. I thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, please be sure to thumbs up this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.